Hey y'all, today I'm talking about Thanksgiving and I'm talking about fresh cranberries. You know, every Thanksgiving I make one of my versions of homemade cranberry sauce because it's so easy. And to me, it's just so much better using the fresh berries. So I want to share with y'all today a recipe for brandied cranberry sauce. So I've got my cranberries, I got brown sugar, I got my water, I got my orange juice, I've got cinnamon, cardamom, and mace. And then I have the brandy. So it's up to you as to whether you want to use it or not. You certainly don't have to, it's optional. So I'm gonna put everything in my saucepan and I'm gonna cook this. Actually, the cranberries cook really, really fast. They'll burst open almost immediately. All right, and in go my spices. Okie dokie. In goes the orange juice. And what do you think? Teresa's saying yes, we think yes. Okay, so I'm gonna put in 2 tablespoons of brandy. And you can also substitute bourbon, a good bourbon for the brandy, should you not like the flavor of brandy. All right, so I'm gonna cut that on. Don't be making those noises. My stoves are like me, they're getting old. They're getting old. Let's see if I can make it quit. Yeah, that made it quit. All right, so I'm just gonna stir all that up real good. And don't forget to wash your cranberries. Isn't that pretty? Every year, you know, like I said, I make some form of my cranberry sauce. One of my favorite ways that I do it is I alternate layers of room temperature cream cheese. A layer of cranberries, a layer of cream cheese, a layer of cranberries. And that's probably one of my favorite ways. But every year I'll make a bowl this big and I have a bowl that big when the meal's over, because most people don't seem to like it. But the flavor of cranberry sauce is so good with turkey and dressing. It is so, so good. So I hope you'll have more people that will try the cranberry sauce. So we're gonna let this cook for about 20 or 25 minutes and that will get it. That will get it. We're back to our cranberry dish, y'all. And I probably cook this for an hour or more. But, 45 minutes to an hour. So I love the sound of the cranberries popping. It kind of sounds like popcorn when they start getting warm. So, like I said, 45 minutes to an hour until it's thickened. And of course, after we put it in the refrigerator, it's gonna get even thicker. So, this cranberry sauce really makes me want some of my cornbread dressing. It's still piping hot, but the flavor's delicious. I can taste the spices coming through. And for those of you that like cranberry sauce, I think you're gonna like this. Now you can serve it any way you want to. I would not hesitate to put this over a block of cream cheese and serve it with crackers. That's one way that you can serve it. It doesn't have to be by your dressing, by your cornmeal dressing, cornbread dressing. So this is going to get much better after it's chilled because it's pretty good right now. But cranberry sauce to me needs to be cold. Happy Thanksgiving! Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.